What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to show you an example regarding stoichiometry and relating the number of moles of reactants and products. It says how many moles of CO2 are produced in the combustion of 2.72 moles of triethylene glycol or C6H14O4 in an excess of O2. So the first thing we need to do, we need to write the chemical equation. Chemical equation is the triethylene glycol is C6H14O4 in the presence of oxygen. It's gonna convert it to CO2 and water. That's the complete combustion, any kind of combustion reaction. Then we need to balance it. So we have C here, we have C is 6, here is 1, and we can say it's 6 here. Then hydrogen we have 2, and here we have 14. So if we have 7 here, that makes it 14. That makes it 14. What about oxygen? Oxygen we have 7. 7 plus 12 is going to be 19. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 7 is going to be 19. Here we have 4. And here we need 15. So we have 2 already. So it has to be 15 over 2. 15 over 2 times 2 is going to be 15. Plus 4 is going to be 19. In order to get rid of this fraction, we can multiply everything by 2. So it will be C6H14O4 plus 15O2 gives 12 CO2 plus 14 H2O. Now it says in an excess of oxygen. Okay, it means that we have enough oxygen in order to have a complete reaction. And it says how many moles of CO2 are produced in the combustion of 2.72 moles of triethylene glycol. So as you see here, since the chemical equation is balanced, if we have 2 moles of triethylene glycol, we produce 12 moles of CO2. So if we have 2 moles of, if we combust 2 moles of triethylene glycol, we produce 12 moles of CO2, carbon dioxide. If we have 2.72, how much we will have? So if 2 is going to be 12, if 2.72 in this example, how much X we will have? How many moles of CO2 we will produce? So in this case, we can use cross multiplication. So we have 2 times X will be equal to 2.72 times 12. That makes it X equals to 12 times 2.72 divided by 2, which makes it 12 times 2.72 divided by 2. That makes it 16.32 moles. So it means that if we have 2.72 moles of triethylene glycol, we can produce 16.32 moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.